So can you take smoothies, green smoothies, whilst you're on a fruit fast or a fruit protocol or a detox protocol? And the answer is no if you are going through an accelerated healing process. In other words, if you have something that's really bad, any issue, any health issue that's really bad, and you want to detox it out of you, you do not want to touch greens and green juices and salads and raw vegetables. These are so powerful. They're actually builders. But when you're detoxing, when you're trying to deep clean the body, you want to use only fruits. It's very important you understand that. It's not that vegetables are bad, it's just that they're hard to digest. And their function is to build. They are not cleaners, they are builders. They strengthen and build. Fruits are cleaners. They replenish cells, they remove lymph, they help kidneys filtrate, they energize each cell, they hydrate each cell. That's the major difference. When you are detoxing, when you're trying to heal, you stick with fruits and fruits only. Fruits like melons, berries, oranges, grapefruits, lemons. These are fantastic. They will heal your body, they will nourish your body, they will give you a health that you have never experienced before. Fruits, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, that's the key.